Hey, we're Molly and Dylan from the YouTube channel Wood Brew.
Today, we're looking at the 62-inch, 14-drawer mobile workbench with adjustable solid wood top from Husky.
This matte black finished workbench is 24 inches deep, which is 6 inches deeper than most standard rolling tool cabinets, and supports up to 2,200 pounds and has 31,721 cubic inches in capacity. You can adjust the height of the work surface by using the removable crank handle that raises and lowers the top anywhere between 38 inches to 48 inches above the floor. The adjustable top allows for a better ergonomic standing position, which is known to help reduce strain on your body and joints. This mobile workbench center comes with fully assembled 6 large 5 inches by 2 inches all swivel casters with brake. The side wall has a 6 outlet and 2 USB socket power center built in for anything you need while working. This workbench also features full extension 100-pound rated soft closing ball bearing drawer slides. In addition to everything else, this workbench comes with premium drawer liners for all 14 drawers and internal barrel key locking system that comes with 2 keys for added security. The Husky workbench is heavy duty with 19-gauge premium steel construction and backed by a 3-year limited Husky warranty. All in all, this is a great workbench, so next time you are looking for more storage with a work surface, consider the 62-inch mobile workbench from Husky.